Vanakkam. Continuation of mutual fund taxation. In this slide, we are going to understand taxation of mutual fund schemes. How the tax are going to be charged in the mutual funds. As in the previous slide, mutual fund tax are exempted from all type of an activity of an individual in the schemes. But some schemes, some gain or losses will attract a small amount of tax for the benefit of people involved in mutual fund schemes. Generally, mutual fund schemes do not pay tax on their capital gains or losses. Similarly, they do not pay tax on their net income, that is income after deducting the expenses. But schemes incur security transaction tax on their equity market related transaction. What is meant by security transaction tax? That will discuss in the next slide. So ultimately, what is the point is over here I want to be conveyed to you is mutual fund schemes are away from tax. Same, meant for the debt investment is also, but sometimes has to pay the tax on additional on income distribution sometimes. That is called a dividend distribution tax. Most of the time, the dividend distribution tax is going to be reduce its NAV. Reason why, once a dividend is declared, naturally the value of the fund will come down. So NAV is also decreased. But also NAV not only decreased, the tax which is paid by scheme to the government is also reduced. A small example, if suppose a dividend distribution is made by a mutual fund company, 1 rupee per unit. Definitely that company has to pay the dividend distribution tax, that is varied from 25% to 35%. We take it as 25%. So what is the charge of the dividend distribution tax? Dividend is 1 rupee, and for that the company has to pay 25%. That means 0.25 paisa. So exactly saying, technically saying, because of dividend declared, the reduced value of assets or the scheme is not 1 rupee, 1.25 paise. So the NAV of the particular scheme will reduced by not 1 rupee, 1.25 paise. That is what is called ex-dividend NAV. So anytime that company has to pay the tax mean, that is called dividend distribution tax, that is company has paid, that is out of the scheme, which is reduce the value of the NAV. NAV is calculated by two way. One is the dividend plus tax, 1 rupee plus 25 paise. So like which the company is going to be pay on the tax. Schemes, this chart is explaining you what are the schemes are available and how much being an individual or domestic company, NRS, has to pay their tax on dividend distribution nature. So in this slide, we had a discussion regarding about meaning of taxation and how the mutual funds are charged with the schemes. Thank you.